What's going on, YouTube? So, I got a package in from EVBASE the other day and open it up, take a peek on what exactly these were. As you can see, I opened up this, and to find out what they are is, oh, lost a bolt right here from opening prior. Yours will come closed when you order these. But what these are little cup mounts. What they do is they install right here, taking out the factory bolt underneath here, right there, installing this bracket like this, and then the cup holder slides on and it sits right there, just like that. EVBASE, again, they were nice enough to send this out to me. Packaging is nice as always, and they also have a discount code JTheDev. Go ahead, use it at checkout. Save some money on your entire cart, not just for these. But I'm gonna install them, see what they look like. Let's go. All right, so in order to install this small cup holder, we have to go ahead and locate a screw right down in here where I'm putting my finger. Might be able to see it from there, but in any case, it's kind of at an angle. Use this in this wrench that comes with the kit. Place it up in here. Feel for where it locks into it, and then just start turning. I'm going to do that, get that out of here, and put the new one in. Just to show you the angle you should be at to unscrew this, this is the angle right here. Not sure if we can see in there, but that is the angle. Easy enough. So here are the two screws. The top one is the OEM, bottom is the new one. As you can see, is significantly longer, so we will need to use these. Definitely save your old OEM ones in case you take it out, but installation is as simple as this. Here we go. So all we're gonna do is take the bracket, align it like this. Here is the hole for the screw. Go ahead and line it up in there. Press it a little bit so it stays. Grab your screw and your wrench and just start putting it in. Very easy. And we are driving along with the water bottle in the cup holder. Doesn't seem to really be bouncing around as I thought it would. Granted, go over a large bump, speed bump, whatnot, pothole like we have here in Rhode Island, that thing will go flying, I would assume. But that being said, very easy to grab, put back. Did that with one hand. I gotta say, I do like it. It does come with all four. As you can see, I put one over here. Also, maybe one to leave some change in it or something to hold knickknacks or whatnot. Pretty cool for that. A lot of people would say, hey, why don't you just use the cup holder that's down in the door or over here? Well, I find myself wanting water and something else, like an iced tea or an iced coffee or whatnot daily. So that's what I'm going to use it for, is my water over here. Down there, I usually have sanitizer. Right now, I actually have some deodorant because I forgot mine the other day, so I had to run and get some. So I always fill those pockets up with something else. These ones, that's the iced coffee area. As you can see, a whole crap load of change that I need to get rid of. So this will just give another option for someone to put a drink, and it's doing well. It's not shaking around violently or whatnot. It just stays in one spot and does its thing. So I'm going to install the back. We'll see what it looks like after these are all in and said and done. So I've been using these cup holders for a couple days now, and I gotta say, they do work pretty well. They aren't a complete match to the rest of the trim, but they're really close. I mean, to the leather, it's almost a complete match, to be honest. Definitely not a match with the trim, I should say, you know, up here and whatnot, but it is pretty close. They look decent. They are plastic and whatnot. They do kind of move around a little bit, but they're very stationed. I have my iced coffee in this one. As you can see, been driving around with it for a good 20 minutes, as well as have a water over here just for demonstration purposes, and it's working out great. So I would say go ahead and pick these up. They seem to be useful when you have more than one drink down here, or as you can see, my change still down here. It'll definitely be useful. Go ahead and head over to EVBASE.com. Use code JTheDev at checkout, and you can get some money off your entire cart, not just for these. So big shout out to EVBASE. Thank you for these cup holders, and if you like the content, please do me a favor. share our content, help the algorithm see us. More people see us, the better. Thanks, and see you on the next one.